Okay, so this is welcome for those of you who need some explanation for this week's work. And this is through 2-5 Friday. We're just continuing from last week. And so this week isn't as heavy. Last week was an assessment week. This week we're going to learn. And then next week will be another Flipgrid assessment. So make sure you're getting all your notes in. First thing you need to do, let me get the picture of our screenshot of our Schoology. Boop. So for this week, I need you to, let's see, find some red. There we go. As you can see, this is our folder, and we've done all this and this and this and this, and we are now at the second half of the week. As you can see on the right here, you have 3 assignments that you will have this week. First off, I put dates here so that you can see. So today, being Tuesday, you should start working on the Rick Steves Culture Project. There's a video in the Google Slides that wants you to stop around 20 minutes and something. So only do that on Tuesday if you're not here at school. The students will be doing that in class and getting that done. And then Wednesday, another 20 minutes, filling out that Google Doc form where there's blanks and missing answers. And then don't forget to submit on Wednesday when you're done or earlier. So here's your submit project that needs to get submitted. When we're done with Tuesday and Wednesday, throughout those days, we're going to look at our vocabulary for the week, which is conjugating present tense. And I put in both Quizlets of vocab that you need to get into your notes. If you don't already, I'm pretty sure my students do. Those are our verbs that we need to know and have. On Wednesday for your async at homework, you need to watch my video notes and also do the Ed puzzle that is assigned for you. So you have some video notes to record, and you can do it off of the Ed puzzle, or you can do it off of my notes, which are a little bit slower, but definitely watch both of those and get those in your notes for Wednesday. Friday you will have a quiz, and this quiz has already been given to you to practice, so you can go ahead and click on that, and after you've done your notes, see if you can pass the quiz with your notes. But definitely first get your notes in before you start practicing it. And then Friday will be a real quiz, which will be graded. Okay, so I think I've gone over everything. I hope you have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions.